In the Scrum framework, the sprint demo, also referred to as the sprint review, is a crucial event that takes place at the end of each sprint. It provides the Scrum team with an opportunity to demonstrate the work completed during the sprint to key stakeholders, ensuring transparency, collaboration and feedback. The sprint demo is not just a simple showcase. It is an integral part of the inspection and adaptation process, driving both continuous improvement and alignment with business needs. It helps verify that the product is moving in the right direction and allows stakeholders to make informed decisions about future work. The purpose of the sprint demo's primary purpose is to present the work completed during the sprint. However, its value extends far beyond just showing off finished features. It is an opportunity for the team to demonstrate the progress made on the product increment, which may include new features, improvements, or bug fixes. This is done by walking through the user stories or product backlog items that were completed during the sprint. The sprint demo ensures that the development team and stakeholders are aligned on the product's direction. It allows the product owner, stakeholders, and even customers to validate whether the sprint's output meets the desired requirements and acceptance criteria. Importantly, it offers a platform for stakeholders to provide feedback, ask questions, and make suggestions, which might influence the backlog priorities for the next sprint. Additionally, the sprint demo serves as a checkpoint to discuss any challenges, missed deadlines, or incomplete work. If any backlog items weren't fully delivered or the scope changed during the sprint, the team can explain why, how it impacts the product, and what changes might need to be made in future sprints. The structure and activities during the sprint demo typically take place at the end of each sprint, and its length is usually time-boxed to 1 to 2 hours, depending on the sprint's length and the scope of the work. The product owner is typically responsible for facilitating the sprint demo, but the entire Scrum team is involved in the presentation. Here's a breakdown of what generally happens during a sprint demo. Review of sprint goals. Before diving into the demonstration, the product owner usually starts by revisiting the sprint goals. These goals are the high-level objectives that the Scrum team aim to achieve during the sprint. Reviewing them helps stakeholders understand what the team focused on and sets the context for the demonstration. Demonstration of completed work. The development team takes the stage to demonstrate the product increment they've built. This can be a live demo, a walkthrough of the software, or an explanation of the new features. For software development teams, this might involve showing how specific user stories have been implemented, walking through new functionality, or explaining how bugs were fixed. The team emphasizes how each piece of work aligns with the acceptance criteria and the sprint goals. Feedback and discussion. After the demonstration, stakeholders, such as the product owner, customers, business leaders, or even end users, are encouraged to provide feedback. This part of the session is a vital component because it allows the team to gather insights into how the product is being received. Stakeholders might request minor changes, suggest additional features, or express concerns that the team needs to address. This feedback loop ensures that the product meets both customer expectations and business objectives. Inspection and adaptation. The sprint demo is part of the broader Scrum process of continuous inspection and adaptation. After the demonstration and feedback, the product backlog may be adjusted based on the insights gathered. For example, if stakeholders request new features or changes, these items might be added to the backlog and prioritized accordingly. The team and stakeholders inspect how the product is evolving and adapt the roadmap and priorities based on current realities and feedback. Discussion of incomplete work. If some backlog items or features were not completed during the sprint, the Scrum team addresses these during the sprint demo. The team explains why certain items weren't finished, discusses any blockers, and reassesses whether those items should be carried over into the next sprint. This transparency helps stakeholders understand the reasons for delays and keeps the project moving forward. Next steps and planning. Finally, the sprint demo provides the opportunity to discuss the next steps. Based on the feedback received and the current state of the product owner may revise the product backlog, and the team may begin thinking about the priorities for the next sprint. This planning ensures that everyone is aligned on the vision and next steps for the project. Benefits of the sprint demo. The sprint demo offers several key benefits for the Scrum team and stakeholders. One of the most important is fostering transparency. By demonstrating the work done during the sprint, the team ensures that everyone has visibility into the progress of the project. This visibility helps create a sense of trust between the development team and stakeholders. Another significant benefit is the opportunity to receive early feedback. Since the sprint demo occurs at the end of each sprint, it allows the team to validate assumptions and expectations early in the process. This helps avoid costly mistakes down the road, as any discrepancies between the product's direction and stakeholder expectations can be addressed quickly. The sprint demo also enhances collaboration between the Scrum team and stakeholders. It fosters a sense of shared ownership and allows everyone to have a voice in the product's direction. By creating a platform for ongoing communication, the sprint demo aligns the team and stakeholders toward a common goal. Conclusion. In conclusion, the sprint demo is a cornerstone of the Scrum framework that promotes transparency, collaboration, and continuous improvement. It provides a structured yet flexible opportunity for the Scrum team to showcase the work completed during the sprint, collect feedback, and adjust course if necessary. The demo ensures that the product is aligned with the needs of the business and customers, helping the team deliver high-quality increments that bring real value. Through regular sprint demos, teams can keep stakeholders engaged, maintain a shared understanding of progress, and continuously refine the product to meet evolving requirements.